you gotta get under another person saying, that confuses me, because my whole thing is, if you're really not over somebody, why would you bring that baggage and move on to somebody else so quickly? Like, to me, that's unfair. Like, you know you're not over someone, but you're just going to hop on somebody else to forget about the person you're not over, knowing that the person you're not over, if they were to ever come back, you're going to run right back to them. Like, it's unfair, and I also feel like you're not doing yourself any justice by doing that. Like, I feel like whenever you go through a breakup or whatever your situation was, when you go through that, I don't think you should look for the next person. What I think you should do is look within, love yourself. Because even if you go to the next person, you don't have enough love to give to them. If you're not really loving yourself and feeling yourself like that, how are you expecting somebody else to give you that love? So, no, I don't think you need to be go looking for the next person to get over the last person. What you need to do is look within yourself and love yourself. Do some things that you wouldn't normally do when you were with that person. Go book that vacation you wanted to book. Go have a spa day. Go chill with your friends. Like, go focus on you. Make you a priority. Don't just go jumping, hopscotching with people. And then another thing is, the person you're trying to get over, you went to somebody else. Now you got their feelings. Now you playing with their feelings, and if you leave them, now you just left somebody hurt. Like, it's fucked up. So don't be playing with people's feelings. Don't get under nobody to get over nobody. Leave people alone. Take your time. Figure yourself out. Love yourself. So for those of you who follow the whole get over, like you get with somebody else to get over another person, props to you. Kudos. But what about you? What about you? Okay, yeah, you probably feel good when you're doing what you're doing, but after that, how do you really feel? I just feel like don't go to nobody else, just focus and love you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Happy weekend, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.